How's it going, everybody? Let's take a few minutes and talk Printful, and then more specifically, as you saw in the title, shoes. But let's jump over here for a second, because a lot of people getting into print on demand or just learning about print on demand are, I guess, including myself, and I guess a lot of you guys, we're so influenced and so conditioned with the best sellers, which are, of course, t-shirts, coffee mugs. We get into hats, hoodies, maybe. But then, for example, if you ever take time and go through some of these products that Printful, for example, offers, and then a bunch of other similar companies, you realize that we're talking about hundreds of products. We're not just talking about t-shirts. We're talking about hats, backpacks. Now the latest thing that these companies are doing, they're actually letting us sell branded products. So for example, Adidas, Champion. For example, you can have your own line of this case fanny packs, but I know they also offer hats and shirts. But you can have your own line of Champion products that you sell on your Etsy store, your own website. Let's say if you have a store through Shopify or whatever other platform you're using. But what I wanted to talk about today is this, because to me, shoes are actually these types of products have appeared for the first time since I started working with print on demand, and it's exciting, right? It's exciting because you can have your own line of shoes, right? Depending on how creative you are, how you want to brand them. If you just want to sell random designs under a generic brand, you can do that. You can price them lower. If you actually want to have a your own line of shoes that's specific to a brand that you create for those shoes, you can also do that. So again, it's incredible what we can actually do these days, right? It just takes that time. It takes that effort and dedication into creating a product, promoting it, pushing it to different platforms. For example, there's nothing preventing any of us from selling these types of shoes on Amazon, on eBay, on Etsy, through your own, like I said, online store, or any other platform that you can integrate with Printful. So let's talk about this a little bit, and then see. I've kind of gone through this before I started recording the video, just to see what they actually offer and what it looks like, and you'll see. I think the best evidence here is in the comments that have already been provided by people who have bought them. And there's actually a few examples of what they look like when they're printed. So I'll just go through these to show you guys what other people are doing. And there's some pretty cool stuff. And like I said, depending on how creative you are, there's a lot of opportunity here. So the quality of the shoes here is great. There's one review that I read that person had an issue with the glue smell, but again, we also get that with t-shirts. For those of you that have been in the business for a little longer, you know that even Merch by Amazon products have that smell when you open the package, and some people are turned off by it. The same thing goes with these shoes, but you can read the description here. Now, the thing that I've actually done to get this product to show is to go through preferences, because, for example, this isn't offered in every single country. So if you're, some Asian countries, I think there was a couple of South American, European countries, you can't actually ship them or sell them in those countries. And the other thing that I've actually noticed, and this is the first time that I've seen this with Printful, is that they actually have a facility now, or a partner facility, in China. So that is this kind of thing, I guess, bothers some people, because, for example, products that are shipped directly from China are associated with bad quality sometimes, and and you know, it possibly could be the case. And because this product is shipped from China, the delivery time is also longer. So if you're actually going through your preferences here and you're selecting US or any other country, and you're selecting a faster delivery time, you actually won't see this, because this is actually, and I adjusted this before I started recording this video, because shoes were not showing up on my worldwide selection for my region, because I sell worldwide all my products, and also I go for the fastest delivery. Like when I sell a t-shirt through, let's say, eBay or Etsy, my customers have that t-shirt within a week. If it's one of my more popular designs, Printful doesn't go through that lengthy process of printing them. Sometimes they might actually have them pre-printed, and they're shipped sometimes within a day. Standard shipping time is about 2 days, and then delivery is about 2 to 3 days, depending on how remote the location is. So like I said, like 5 business days. Sometimes you can order from me on Monday and have your product on Thursday or Friday, but that is not the case with this, right? So you have to take that into consideration when you're considering introducing new product. But what you do get with a statement like this fulfilled at our partner facility in China is the price. Price here is $45, shipping is $7, $6.99. So you're looking at, you know, under $50 a pair of shoes, and depending on the profit margin, you know, you can sell these shoes for $70, $80, which I think is completely reasonable for the North American market. And you'll be making $10, $20 in profits, which is again incredible. Here's just something that Printful actually goes through when they're describing the product. Soft insole, lace up, branding label. So it actually tells you, for example, where you can have your brand name, including on the box. So you can have your brand right here, brand name. And again, it's pretty cool, because like I said from the beginning, this could be your product line. It's not, for example, where people would be, you know, buying Adidas or Nike shoes. Now you can have your own brand, right? And if you're not somebody who wants to invest, for example, and buy 500 pairs of shoes, which is something that you would do if you want to order your own products for a brand or something like that, and actually have them, keep them in stock, because you're going to get a lower price, but again, higher risk. Here, what you can do is, you know, this is print on demand, so you can just sell one pair of shoes, and there's no cost involved. So again, there was I'll just show you some of their designs, like I already have, and I wanted to just quickly play some of the video that they have, the promotional video. And I don't know actually if you guys will show hear their sound. I do have this selection in my recording software to actually capture the video sound. So hopefully you guys can hear it, but I'll just let you see, for example, the promotional video that you can also record or make something like this. So let's see what they say. Okay, the reason I was showing you that video is just to kind of capture the excitement and the I guess how new and fresh the product is, because and also to show you how much of an impact a video can have. And the reason I'm saying that is that I don't know if you guys if you're selling on Etsy or even Amazon through fulfillment by Amazon, or even if you're doing the fulfillment yourself, having a video attached to your product really does help increase your sales. And I just wanted to show you that to give you an idea of what you can do when it comes to the marketing side. But in either case, the point of this video was I think we need to get away from standard products, not and I don't mean get away as in not sell, but I mean just sell them including new and different products. Because like I said, there are hundreds of products that someone like myself is missing out on because I sometimes think, I'm too late or there's no point. But for example, all over print t-shirt dresses. There was another one that I saw, for example, this one here, hoodie dress, biker shorts. Like there are so many things that baby denim jackets. Like for example, like I don't ever get into this kind of a product line, but again, there's no reason not to. So anyways, I'm going to wrap it up here. I really wanted to show you guys. There is a link below. There should be for Printful if you're not sure, if you're not aware of the website. So go check out their products. I've worked with them for years. I talk about them often on this channel. Very reliable, very good with customer service. Shipping is good. I would say actually excellent. Prices are good, competitive, so you can actually make a decent profit when you sell their products. And that's it. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later.